What is table slide flexion exercise? Table slide flexion exercise is a physical exercise that primarily targets the muscles of the upper back, shoulders, and arms. It involves sliding the arms back and forth along a table or a smooth surface while keeping the arms straight and engaging the shoulder blades. How to perform this exercise? To perform this exercise, begin in a seated or standing position, with your arm/hand resting on a table or countertop. Slide your arm slowly forward until you feel a stretch. To minimize friction, use a towel or similar material. What are the benefits of this exercise? The benefits of this exercise include: the exercise strengthens the muscles of the upper back and shoulders, which helps maintain good posture. Table slide flexion exercise helps improve the stability and mobility of the shoulder joint, reducing the risk of injuries. This exercise targets several upper body muscles, including the trapezius, rhomboids, and deltoids, which can help improve overall upper body strength. By strengthening the upper back and shoulders, this exercise can help reduce tension in the neck and shoulders. The exercise can also help improve flexibility in the upper body by stretching and strengthening the muscles involved. What is active shoulder flexion, spider, slides exercise? Active shoulder flexion, spider, slides exercise is a mobility exercise that involves moving the arms in a spider-like motion while lying on your back. How to perform this exercise? To perform this exercise, stand in front of a wall. Place one of your hands on the wall. Slowly crawl your hand up the wall as high as you can. Slowly lower your arm down. Repeat the process again. What are the benefits of this exercise? The benefits of this exercise include: active shoulder flexion, spider, slides exercise helps to increase range of motion in the shoulders by working through a full range of motion. The exercise targets the muscles of the upper back and shoulders, which can help to improve posture and prevent injury. The slow, controlled movement of the exercise helps to improve neuromuscular control and stability of the shoulder joint. Active shoulder flexion, spider, slides exercise can be used as part of a comprehensive fitness program to improve overall fitness, mobility, and strength. What is bilateral arm flexion exercise? Bilateral arm flexion exercise is a resistance training exercise that primarily targets the biceps muscles of the upper arms. How to perform this exercise? To perform this exercise, lie on your back and bend your knees with your back in a neutral position, meaning it should be slightly arched. Activate your lower abs, transversus abdominis, by pulling your belly button inward and contracting your pelvic floor muscles at around 20 to 30% of maximum contraction. While maintaining a steady abdominal breathing pattern, raise both arms up while keeping your back flat on the floor. Slowly return to the starting position and repeat the exercise. What are the benefits of this exercise? Some benefits of bilateral arm flexion exercise include: this exercise targets the biceps muscles, which are responsible for flexing the elbow joint and rotating the forearm. Regularly performing bilateral arm flexion exercises can help increase biceps strength and muscle size. Strong, defined biceps can enhance the appearance of the upper arms, making them look more toned and muscular. The biceps muscles are also involved in a variety of functional movements, such as pulling and lifting objects. Strengthening these muscles through bilateral arm flexion exercise can improve performance in these activities. The bilateral arm flexion exercise engages multiple muscle groups in the upper body, including the shoulders and upper back. By strengthening these muscles, this exercise can improve overall upper body strength and posture. What is unilateral arm flexion exercise? Unilateral arm flexion exercise refers to a strength training exercise that targets the muscles in the upper arm, specifically the biceps brachii. How to perform this exercise? To perform this exercise, lie on your back and bend your knees, keeping your back in a neutral position with a slight arch. Engage your lower abs by pulling your belly button inward and contracting your pelvic floor muscles at 20 to 30% of maximum effort. While maintaining a steady, controlled breathing pattern, lift one arm off the floor while keeping your back flat. Lower your arm back down slowly and return to the starting position. Repeat the same process with your other arm. What are the benefits of this exercise? Some benefits of unilateral arm flexion exercise include: By targeting the biceps muscle in one arm at a time, this exercise can help increase overall upper body strength and muscle mass. Performing unilateral exercises can help identify and correct any imbalances in strength or muscle size between the left and right sides of the body. The arm flexion exercise can help improve the range of motion in your elbows and shoulders, which can be particularly beneficial for athletes or anyone who uses their upper body for physical activity. Strengthening the muscles in your arms can help reduce the risk of injury, particularly when performing activities that require lifting or carrying heavy objects. What is active shoulder flexion exercise? Active shoulder flexion exercise is a type of exercise that involves lifting the arm forward from a starting position with the arm by the side. This exercise is designed to strengthen the muscles in the front of the shoulder and improve range of motion. How to perform this exercise? To perform this exercise, place a rolled towel on your spine, between your shoulder blades, while lying on your back. Keep your arms on the sides and your head on the floor. Take a deep breath in and gradually lift your arms over your head. Exhale and lower your arms back to the sides. What are the benefits of this exercise? The benefits of active shoulder flexion exercise include strengthening the muscles in the front of the shoulder, including the deltoid muscle, which can help improve posture and reduce the risk of injury. Improving range of motion in the shoulder joint, which can be particularly helpful for individuals who have suffered from shoulder injuries or who have limited mobility due to age or other factors. Enhancing shoulder stability and coordination, this can help with everyday activities such as reaching for items on high shelves or carrying heavy bags. Helping to alleviate shoulder pain and discomfort by strengthening the muscles that support the joint and improving flexibility in the shoulder region. What is shoulder flexion with resisted external rotation exercise? Shoulder flexion with resisted external rotation exercise is a resistance training exercise that targets the shoulder muscles. How to perform this exercise? To perform this exercise, lie down on your back. Bend your elbows to a 90 degrees angle. Place a mini band around your forearms, just above your wrists. Apply slight pressure to the band. Raise your arms to a 90 degrees angle, or as directed. Ensure that your hands are shoulder width apart. What are the benefits of this exercise? The benefits of shoulder flexion with resisted external rotation exercise include: this exercise targets the muscles in the shoulder, including the deltoids, rotator cuff, and scapular stabilizers. With regular practice, you can increase your shoulder strength, which can improve your ability to perform daily tasks and sports activities. The external rotation component of this exercise targets the rotator cuff muscles, which are essential for maintaining shoulder stability. By strengthening these muscles, you can reduce the risk of shoulder injuries and improve your overall shoulder function. Shoulder flexion with resisted external rotation exercise can also help to improve your shoulder flexibility, which can enhance your range of motion and reduce the risk of joint stiffness. This exercise targets the anterior and posterior shoulder muscles, helping to promote balanced muscle development. This can improve your posture and overall upper body strength. What is shoulder posterior glide exercise? Shoulder posterior glide exercise is a physical therapy exercise that involves moving the shoulder blade back and down towards the spine while keeping the arm in a fixed position. This movement promotes the sliding of the humerus bone in the shoulder joint, which can help improve shoulder mobility and reduce pain and stiffness. How to perform this exercise? To perform this exercise, place your fingertips on the front of your painful or restricted shoulder. Push back slightly with your fingertips. If there is pain, apply pressure in a slightly different direction. Maintain pressure constantly. Elevate your arm overhead. Bring your arm back down. What are the benefits of this exercise? The benefits of shoulder posterior glide exercise include: this exercise helps to promote the sliding of the humerus bone in the shoulder joint, which can improve the range of motion and reduce stiffness. The movement of the shoulder blade can help reduce pain in the shoulder joint, particularly for people who have conditions such as frozen shoulder or rotator cuff injuries. Regularly performing this exercise can help improve your posture by strengthening the muscles around the shoulder blades. Strengthening the muscles around the shoulder blade can also help reduce the risk of future shoulder injuries. What is active shoulder flexion exercise? Active shoulder flexion exercise is a type of exercise that involves lifting your arm from your side up and over your head. This movement engages the muscles of your shoulders and upper back, including the deltoids, pectoralis major, and serratus anterior. This exercise is commonly used to strengthen and improve the flexibility of the shoulder joint and surrounding muscles. How to perform this exercise? To perform this exercise, find a comfortable chair to sit in. Position your body so that your feet are flat on the ground and your spine is straight. Lift both of your arms up towards the ceiling as far as you can. Reach your fingertips towards the sky and stretch your arms out fully. Hold the position for a few seconds before slowly lowering your arms back down to your sides. What are the benefits of this exercise? The benefits of active shoulder flexion exercise include: this exercise helps to stretch and strengthen the muscles in your shoulder joint, which can increase your range of motion and flexibility. Strong shoulder muscles provide support and stability to the joint, reducing the risk of injury and improving overall function. Weak or tight shoulder muscles can contribute to poor posture, so strengthening them can help to improve your overall posture and alignment. Active shoulder flexion exercise can help to alleviate shoulder pain and discomfort by increasing blood flow to the area and promoting healing. Strong shoulder muscles are important for many athletic activities, such as throwing, lifting, and reaching, so this exercise can help to improve your performance in these areas. What is back strengthening exercise? Back strengthening exercises are physical activities that target the muscles in the back, such as the erector spinae, lats, rhomboids, and trapezius, with a goal of increasing strength and endurance. How to perform this exercise? To perform this exercise, sit with your back against a wall and your legs straight out in front of you. Make sure your glutes, butt muscles, are touching the wall and your chin is slightly tucked. Join your hands together in front of your body. Lift your arms up slowly, keeping them straight, until the back of your hands touch the wall. Be sure to maintain an upright trunk and flat back throughout the movement. Slowly lower your arms back down to the starting position. Repeat the movement. What are the benefits of this exercise? Benefits of back strengthening exercises. Strong back muscles help stabilize the spine and support good posture, which can reduce the risk of back pain and injury. Strong back muscles can help improve posture and reduce the likelihood of developing rounded shoulders, slouching, or other postural problems. A strong back can improve performance in sports that require upper body strength, such as swimming, rowing, or gymnastics. Strengthening the back muscles can make it easier to perform everyday activities, such as carrying groceries or lifting children. Back strengthening exercises can also contribute to overall physical fitness, which can reduce the risk of chronic diseases such as obesity, heart disease, and diabetes. What is single arm shoulder flexion exercise? Single arm shoulder flexion exercise is a strength training exercise that primarily targets the anterior, front, portion of the shoulder muscles. How to perform this exercise? To perform this exercise, start with good posture, standing or sitting straight with your chin tucked in. Lift your arms straight up in front of you as high as possible, while keeping your chin tucked in and pulling your shoulder back. Gradually lower your arm back down to the starting position. To advance the exercise, try it with a weight. What are the benefits of this exercise? The benefits of single arm shoulder flexion exercise include: this exercise targets the anterior portion of the shoulder muscles, which are responsible for lifting and rotating the arm. By performing this exercise regularly, you can improve the strength and endurance of these muscles. The shoulder joint is a ball and socket joint that allows for a wide range of motion. Performing single arm shoulder flexion exercise can help increase your shoulder's range of motion by stretching and strengthening the muscles around the joint. Strong shoulder muscles can help improve your posture and prevent shoulder injuries. This exercise can help strengthen the muscles that support the shoulder blades, which are important for maintaining good posture. Single arm shoulder flexion exercise also engages the muscles in the back, chest, and arms, making it a great compound exercise for improving overall upper body strength. Strengthening the shoulder muscles can help prevent common shoulder injuries such as rotator cuff tears and shoulder impingement syndrome. What is shoulder flexion with resisted external rotation exercise? Shoulder flexion with resisted external rotation exercise is a strength training exercise that targets the shoulder muscles. How to perform this exercise? To perform this exercise, position yourself against a wall. Bend your elbows at a 90-degree angle. Wrap a mini band around your forearms, above your wrists. Apply slight tension to the band. Raise your arms overhead, or follow the suggested movement. What are the benefits of this exercise? The benefits of the shoulder flexion with resisted external rotation exercise are: this exercise strengthens the muscles that support the shoulder joint, which can help prevent injury. The external rotation component of this exercise helps to increase the range of motion in your shoulder joint. By strengthening the muscles that support the shoulder blades and upper back, this exercise can help improve your posture. This exercise targets the shoulder muscles, which are essential for many upper body movements such as pushing, pulling, and lifting. This exercise can be done with minimal equipment, making it a great option for those who don't have access to a gym or prefer to work out at home. What is shoulder front raises exercise? Shoulder front raises is an exercise that primarily targets the anterior, front, head of the deltoid muscle, which is the muscle responsible for raising the arm in front of the body. How to perform this exercise? To perform this exercise, assume a straight standing position. Simultaneously lift both arms in front of you. Keep your thumbs pointed upward during the entire movement. Raise your arms to the height of your shoulders. What are the benefits of this exercise? Benefits of shoulder front raises include: shoulder front raises can help you build strength and definition in the front of your shoulders, which can improve your posture and overall shoulder stability. Shoulder front raises can help improve your range of motion and flexibility in the shoulders, making it easier to perform daily activities and other exercises. Strong shoulder muscles can help prevent common shoulder injuries, such as rotator cuff tears or impingement syndrome. The shoulder front raise is a compound exercise that can engage other upper body muscles, including the biceps, triceps, and upper back muscles, helping you build overall upper body strength.